You take care of your plant every day. It looks green, fresh and alive. But nothing changes. No new leaves. No growth. Just the same size, week after week. And you start wondering, what's wrong with it? You water it carefully. You give it sunlight. You even talk to it sometimes. Still no progress. It feels like the plant is frozen in time. Tell me in the comments. How long has your plant stayed like this? Here's something many plant parents don't know. Plants have rest periods. Just like we need breaks, plants also take a pause to save energy. This often happens after they've been repotted, or when seasons change, or when the environment suddenly shifts. When a plant faces stress, like being moved, trimmed, or watered too much, it doesn't show it on the leaves. Instead, it slows down growth quietly. It focuses on repairing roots and rebuilding strength deep inside the soil. So sometimes, no growth doesn't mean it's unhealthy. It just means it's healing. But if your plant stays stuck for months, check what's happening below the soil. Maybe the roots have no space left to grow, or the soil has become hard and compact. Gently lift the plant, loosen the roots, and repot it in fresh, airy soil. It makes a big difference. Also remember, even healthy looking leaves can hide nutrient problems. Old soil loses minerals over time. Feed your plant with mild organic fertilizer like seaweed extract, humic acid, or amino acids. And make sure it gets enough light. Not too strong, not too weak, just balanced. So tell me, what do you think stops your plant from growing? Have you ever seen it start growing again after a long pause? Share your story in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video. Subscribe for more gentle plant tips. And share it with your plant-loving friends. May your plants stay green, happy, and always growing.